Animals Made Easy.
Hello kids, welcome to Animals Made Easy. Today we are going to learn about a very interesting animal that moves without legs. Yes, today we will learn about a snake. Before we begin, remember learning about animals helps us understand nature better. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Animals Made Easy for more fun and educational animal videos. Now let's start. A snake is a long, thin animal with no legs. Snakes move by sliding their bodies on the ground. Their bodies are covered with smooth scales that help them move easily. Snakes live in many different places. They can be found in forests, grasslands, deserts, farms, and even near water. Some snakes live on trees, while others live underground or in water. Snakes use their tongue to smell. They flick their tongue in and out to understand what is around them. This helps snakes find food and stay safe from danger. Snakes eat different kinds of food depending on their type. Some snakes eat insects, frogs, eggs, fish, or small animals. Snakes swallow their food whole because they do not chew. Most snakes are not dangerous. They usually try to stay away from humans. Snakes only protect themselves when they feel scared or threatened. Baby snakes are called hatchlings. They come out of eggs and can move on their own soon after birth. Mother snakes do not usually stay with their babies. Snakes help nature in many ways. They control pests like rats and insects. This helps farmers and keeps the environment balanced. Snakes are an important part of nature. Even though some people feel scared of them, snakes help keep our world healthy. Now you know what a snake is and why it is important. Learning about animals teaches us to respect all living creatures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Animals Made Easy. See you in the next animal adventure.